Hello, today we will learn most commonly used certain letter combinations in German in most easiest way. For better understanding, pause the video and repeat after me. Our today's first combination is PF. A lot of students consider it hard, and that's because they are trying to separate those two letters. You cannot separate them. The sound you have to make for this combination is Zum Beispiel fliegen, Pferd, Hund. Sometimes this combination comes in the middle of a word. Zum Beispiel Apfel. Our next combination is CH followed by S, pronounced as KS. Zum Beispiel wachsen. Sechs. I know what it sounds like, but I am pronouncing the number.